Welcome to the world of Sonel S.A, where precision meets passion. It all started 30 years ago with the bold dreams of a group of young engineers. Today, as a leader in the manufacturing of professional measuring instruments, we change the world of power engineering, ensuring safety in the production, distribution, and consumption of electricity. It is here in the nearly 7,000 square meter factory in Świdnica, Poland, where we design and manufacture our devices, widely used in the energy, manufacturing, and construction industries. The newest product lines also prove useful in solar photovoltaics, electromobility, and energy-efficient applications. Thanks to our own research and development department, we can constantly improve our designs. We respond to the changing market needs, create new products, and develop digital solutions. Our specialists oversee every stage of the meter production, from sourcing through automatic and manual assembly, adjustment and quality control, to the picking and packing of the finished devices. About 400 products leave our production lines every day, including devices for inspecting power network parameters, analyzing power quality, testing the safety of electrical equipment, as well as instruments for measuring the non-electrical quantities such as temperature or illumination intensity. Owing to a well-developed distribution network and subsidiary companies, our products are sold in over 100 countries around the world. Our success is backed by our people, an experienced team of specialists, engineers, designers, and programmers. Currently, we employ over 360 people. Thanks to them, we are able to provide our clients with a comprehensive service and support them in achieving their goals. Over the years, we have been supporting cultural, sporting, and scientific events, as well as initiatives to activate the local community. We sponsor student projects, conduct patronage classes, and provide vocational training. We continue the journey in which our measuring instruments reach the hands of specialists every day. Thanks to their work and commitment, we can collectively provide electrical safety to people around the world. Join us. Let's make this mission a reality together. Sonel, we measure globally.